we can read this book.
Okay, can you read it to me?
Yeah, the jungle story.
The Jungle Story.
One day there was a monkey and he thought there was a camel here. Oh, there's a tiger. And he thought that and the rhinoceros was there. A rhinoceros and a duck and a flower and a duck. A duck and a flower and a rhinoceros. The jungle story is not right. So I have to read. One day I was on this page. One day the rhinoceros took them to the beach and they played in the water. One day the gorilla taught him how to play baseball, but they didn't. One day they taught him how to play baseball.
I love that story. I like how you taught him how to play baseball. What's the next story about?
This porcupine.
A porcupine?
That porcupine one. The porcupine has to play baseball. One day there was a kitty who played baseball, but she didn't. So the porcupine, he showed him how to play baseball, but he didn't. But one day the fish asked him how to play baseball, but he didn't. But the rabbit how to play baseball, but he didn't.
Aw, that's kind of a sad story. When will they ever get to play baseball?
Because they have to.
Yeah.
There.
Nice. What's next?
So this is the final story where I read it at school.
Okay.
So this is called A Rooster Goes in the Mud.
Oh, nice.
Rooster Goes in the Mud by Wogan Falcher. One day there's a cow who taught the horse how to play baseball, but she didn't. The chicken how to make baseball, but he didn't. The big cow showed him how to make baseball too, but he didn't. The sheep how to make him baseball, but he didn't.
Oh, the end. But did they ever go in the mud?
Yeah.
I love these stories. Any more?
There. There's one.
There's one. Trick or treat. Trick or treat, smell my feet.
The tricky goes in the bushes.
In the
by
bush.
Martin Falcher. One day there's a dog playing with a ball and a butterfly when he saw the flying rose outside. Was the meow, meow, meow. It was a kitty.
Oh, cute.
And then they were going to the park. The bear showed him how to play it at the park, but but the cow did, but it didn't. Maybe the chicken will help. Maybe he don't.
That was a sad ending. Maybe the chickie will help, but maybe he don't. The end. That was a great story too. Any more?
Yeah. There's one.
What's this one called?
The shark goes in the bathtub. Tub by Martin Schaffer. This is Dory, and he was a good little fish, and all year years. One day, when Dory was a good little boy, and he was very curious, he opened the door, invited all the dogs in for a treat.
All the dogs came in for a treat.
Or the neighbors came in for a treat in no time. The kitchen was clean and so whistle.
You know that one by heart, don't you?
Like the whale could help, but he don't. But the seahorse can help, but he don't. But the dolphin will help, but he don't.
The end. When is this story going to be a happy ending? When is somebody going to help play baseball? We're in the bushes.
This one can go there, and this one can go there.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope this one has a happy ending.
I hope this one has a happy ending too.
What's this one called?
It's by Martin Schaffer. One day there's a duck, and he was already very curious. One day he was sitting for a very nice when he heard a bunny cracking out his window. What was the cracking noise gonna be? And it was a duck, of course.
Of course. Is that a frog?
And this guy knowed the story when he heard a funny noise outside his window. Was the stomach rumbling? He wondered. There's a one right there. Oh, it was a duck, of course.
Of course. That one had kind of a happy ending.
I'm gonna read one more book.
Okay, one more book and then we gotta brush teeth, okay?
Yeah.